1583 Hallstone Road, right here in Brampton. I love this area of Brampton, formerly the hamlet of Churchville. So you still get all those small town, warm, cozy feels, space between the houses, tree-lined streets, and of course, views of the farmers' fields. On top of that, we are in Streetsville Glen, which is one of Southwest Brampton's most desired locations. And here's why. You're only 5 minutes away from the 401 and the 407, so it is perfect if you're into commuting. And arguably one of my favorite parts are all the outdoor activities. If you have dogs, if you have kids, this is perfect. We're right around the corner from the Credit River, Churchill Conservation District, and Sid Mansard Park. Plus, for all you golfers out there, Streetsville Glen is right down the street. 1583 Hallstone Road, one of the only bungalows in the entire neighborhood that's been meticulously kept by the original owner. 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, main floor living at its finest, all coupled together with this beautiful quality built home. The first thing you'll notice when you pull up is the driveway. It's huge. You can fit 5 cars in the driveway plus 2 in the garage. And then your eyes are going to be drawn to this beautiful rich red brick that jumps right at you, complemented with a stone skirt, and of course these beautiful stone and cylindrical columns which really complete the package. You'll notice the oversized windows to the front of the house, so when you go in, you know there's tons of natural light. You're gonna love the interior of this home, starting with the 9-foot ceiling and the pot lights. Those cylindrical columns are pulled inside to match the dining room columns, and this is a beautiful look from these cylindrical columns stretching all the way to this curved hardwood staircase. We've got hardwood throughout the main floor, and one common theme in this house are the windows. They're all oversized and you've got tons of them. Then your eyes will focus immediately to the left. You've got a den dining room combination. I love this layout. You can eat your dinner and then retreat to the den for some intimate conversations. And before we get to the heart of the home, tucked away to the right is a private bedroom, full 3-piece washroom, and main floor laundry. Once again, these windows, you're gonna love them. And now, we're gonna jump into the kitchen. I love the open space. The sight lines are phenomenal. Eat-in kitchen, fireplace, living room. And then you'll see the granite countertops, raised breakfast bar, tons of cabinet space with extended cabinets and a full walk-in pantry. You really have tons of space in this kitchen. One thing I love about this main floor is you have each individual rooms but an open concept feel. And then the eat-in kitchen. You could really have this as your full dining room because it is that big. You've got these beautiful French doors with transom above, letting in tons of morning sunlight. And then you've got the living room, vaulted ceilings, pot lights, wood burning fireplace. If this isn't cozy, I don't know what is. Now let's step outside so we can enjoy this outdoor space. Covered concrete patio, extended with composite decking. This is a great barbecue space. You'll enjoy all the mature trees, the old growth maples, the iron fencing, gardens. If you're into bird watching, if you love to entertain, this is a space you're really gonna enjoy. Remember, this is a 97 by 114 lot. It's massive. And then we move on to the master suite. This hallway is like your own separate wing. It's very private. Double door linen closet for plenty of storage. Second bedroom right at the end of the hallway. And of course, the primary suite with double walk-in closets opening up to this beautiful sun-filled room with vaulted ceilings just like the living room, and a full wall of windows letting in all the morning sun. And then the ensuite, full glass shower, soaker tub, tons of natural light. The loft. Now this is an upgrade that everybody would love to have, and my sellers had the foresight to add this in with the original build. We have a fully contained guest suite, bedroom, walk-in closet, and 5-piece ensuite. But one of my favorite parts about this upstairs is the storage closet right at the end of the hallway. Now this is great for luggage, winter coats, and all your totes. This upstairs loft is such a fantastic perk. It's open, it's airy with vaulted ceilings, great views out the windows, only trees and farmers' fields. It really comes back to that small town feel. The basement has this nice clean finished landing plus a separate finished gym area. The rest of it is open for your own imagination. Now come on and take a look. I envision this space as a man cave with bar, pool table, theater room, kids playroom, beanbag chairs. We could have a lot of fun down here. I think after all that, I've made it clear. This is a wonderful home on a wonderful lot in a wonderful area. If you have any questions, I want you to give me a call, give me a text today. I can't wait to show it to you.